Hi friends, today we're going to do some real estate trivia. So here's the question. When showing a listing, a broker is asked about the condition of the basement. Without having seen the basement, the agent states that, to the best of her knowledge, the basement is free of dampness. In fact, the basement leaks steadily whenever it rains. The agent most likely has committed what? A. Fraud. B. Intentional misrepresentation. C. Misrepresentation. Or D. No error. This is protecting the homeowner's interest. All right, so if you're going to look at this, right, you want to, first of all, realize that fraud and intentional misrepresentation are the same thing. So fraud is intentional misrepresentation. So we are going to eliminate those two as our options. Now we're left with C and D. Reading the question, you know there's an error. So based off of everything else, the answer would then be what? C, right? So this is a misrepresentation of the property, also known as negligence. And that is the answer to this question. What do you think about the answer? Did you get it right?